In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for budgeting. By the end, you'll know how to start from the home screen, pick the right budget template, customize it for your needs, and make quick updates to keep your numbers clean and accurate. First, open your Monday.com home. Once you're on your workspace, look for the blue plus button. This is your quick entry point to add something new. Click it to start creating without having to build everything from scratch. From the options that appear, choose the Template Center. Templates are a powerful way to get a complete structure instantly, especially for something as detail-heavy as budgeting. Inside the Template Center, click into the search bar at the top and type the word budget. This narrows the gallery so you're not sifting through unrelated templates. Scroll down through the results and look for a budget plan template that fits the way you like to organize. When you see a promising option, click it to open its details. Take a moment to review the features. Many budget templates include columns for categories, status, start and end dates, and currency fields that can roll up into totals. This quick preview helps ensure you're picking a layout you can work with immediately. When you're satisfied, click Use Template. Monday.com will set it up for you inside your workspace. After the board is created, open it and locate the first group, often labeled something generic like Project 1. Click that group title and type in Month 1 to make it meaningful. This small change will anchor your budget to a time period, which is helpful when you eventually duplicate the group for additional months. Next, inside that group, click on the first item, typically named Task 1. Replace that placeholder with a real spending category. Type Travel. Now the board starts to reflect actual budget lines instead of sample text. Renaming items like this builds the foundation for accurate tracking and reporting. Move to the status column for that travel line. If it's set to Done by default, click it and switch it to Working on it. Statuses in a budget are not just about tasks. They can signal whether a line is planned, in progress, or finalized. Picking Working on it here indicates the budget line is active and may still change. You can always update it later when the numbers are locked in. Over in the Start Date column, click the date and adjust it as needed. When the calendar opens, select the 31st to set your start. If your template supports a date range, clicking 31 again will set the end, giving you a clear window for that budget period. Accurate dates make reporting cleaner and help align your budget with your timeline. If your template came with extra rows you don't need, you can tidy things up now. Click the small boxes on the left of the unwanted rows to select them. Then click Delete. You may see a confirmation. Click Delete again to finalize. Be careful here. Removing rows is permanent in the context of your working session, though the platform often offers an undo if you change your mind right away. Clearing out noise keeps your board focused and easier to read. Finally, update your numbers. Click the amount in the travel column. Say it shows $2,000 and change it to $1,000. Most budget templates use currency columns that sum automatically, so when you adjust a line, your totals and balances update immediately. This real-time feedback is one of the best parts of managing a budget in Monday.com. If your currency format doesn't look right, you can adjust it later in the column settings, so everything is consistent. That's it. You navigated to the Template Center, selected a budget plan, applied it, renamed your first month and category, set a status, configured dates, cleaned up extra rows, and edited a budget amount. With this structure in place, you can replicate the Month 1 group for additional months, fill in more categories, and keep your spending organized and transparent. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.